sacerdoti lokada Eyongitos naka Kabermaido Catholic Mission Reverend Father Emmanuel Alucha ngesalim daibe kutokwani tunga sekuni Engarenok Eyongitos kominas da edeke.
Sometimes the problems that we face with the leaders is that some of them feel for themselves. They don't have a human feeling. So as we always get chances of getting new leaders, we look for leaders that are God-fearing. And these are people who may be fair in their leadership always and we cry of corruption. So God-fearing people who can really stand in for us, who can understand the human suffering, the human situation. These are people who can represent us, who can lead us. There are people who can promise and they fail to fulfill. But from here now, I urge that whoever, if you are elected in a position, remember what you have promised to people, so you have to deliver.
Konye depet kotomono councillors, egwekint etem loka okile. Frederick Oboying esda buko limda be raina kirot na kabeit ebe busa kenti Engarenok chut araut luda eminas Lokasuban tete ken uswamete akirono ajoka
ngata ngmengeo rubanga telo jo de lubo kede iswilia ameti baibuli balanat iswilia tomon so amo yero jo amengeo rubanga ya tuteni pinywa oro tinyime joliaro to joliaro kwaro sente me apogan joliaro kwaro sente ame pora welo kede dualiron danaro timo tich dienge wa matimo irach ikar mengolo kop le ayaro udo kabedo aber
kusode Santa Sheila Achan negwe kinti tungalo ngwal toskoto mono district council ngesta buko limdaibe Engarenok kesebusa kent around itungalo itonet anynet na jok utas aitot aswam sine
balak teach me corruption go lia bedi kuoni kaini warubanga bedo kere teach mateni
John Paul Eremu lokolejet agwait kwape MP Loke buku loko chero ngesta buko limdaibe ekoti Engarenok Eyongitos chut Lokasuban to lista swam snake
do oyani mjo do bera ke no ngi chewati ya chinawa kitamenyo fadha ya mokele pia kama omaide mchiwano jo amele ya mepore jo alia tiyo kire teach meru banga ena ma dugini mere amia wache be politics rach
Michael Onyenge TV East Kabermaido District.